Hey everyone, Sean here with another deep dive. This week we gave you a sneak peek at the registered voters feature, which is one of the many organizing actions you'll be able to take in Unified. In this video, I want to give you a deeper understanding of how the feature will work and what you can expect from it. I think the easiest way to do that is to break down what we showed you in the announcement video. So I'm going to pull it up right here and go through it with you. Okay, so the first thing Amanda does is open the creation menu to create a new registered voters action. When she does this, it opens up a template for her to customize the action. So let me pause. The template will have two sections. One where you say what the action is about, and another where you customize what the action does. In this case, Amanda fills out the title and description to tell people she's trying to register people in Texas. And in the next section, she customizes the action so that it will target people that are likely to be living in Texas. She does this by setting the contact filter on the action that will only show contacts that have phone numbers with Texas area codes. When any of her followers open the action, it will automatically pick any contacts that have matching area codes. Now, let me make an admission here that area codes for phone numbers are not the best way to determine where someone lives. You know that, we know that, but unfortunately, it's the best we can do. The phone, my phone doesn't know where each person I know lives, and I'm guessing yours don't either. So in lieu of that, we have to rely on area codes. If you've got an idea for how we can improve that, let us know. We would love to hear it. You may also be wondering, how does the app know what contacts I have? And we'll cover that in a future video where we'll get into some of the really groundbreaking stuff we're doing with data privacy. But for now, let's get back to the registered voters action and then see what happens. Okay, so Amanda publishes the action, includes a new post, and now that action is out there ready for anyone to use. We talked about this in the last video, but making a post and including the action is basically like tweeting and including an image or video, except you can actually do something good with the action. And that's what I'm going to do here. I pull up the action on my phone. When I'm looking at the action, it's automatically pulling up some potentially interesting contacts for me to reach out to help Amanda. Now, again, Amanda doesn't actually know that I know these people, but Unified is doing work behind the scenes to tell me that these contacts of mine are important for what she needs. I check one person first, and they're registered to vote, and then I check another friend, and they're not. When I check each of my contacts in Unified, the app is actually matching that person against the voter file. Basically, it takes the name, phone number, and anything else I provide, and does a search against this massive database to see if there's a registered voter with the same information. If there is a match, then it marks that person as registered. But if there isn't, the app assumes that my friend isn't registered and recommends that I contact them with some info on how to fix that. All in all, what we're trying to do with the registered voters action is make it super easy for you to run or be part of a voter registration campaign. What would typically require a lot of prep work and training is now something you can create and share with everyone in seconds. And because Unified is fundamentally a social experience, your followers can not only see the progress they're making together, but also amplify the reach of the campaign by sharing with all of their friends. So, all right, everyone, that's all for this deep dive. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it informative. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear them. Reply or post a comment wherever you're seeing this. We've also started a Slack group for Unified Superfans, so we'd love to see you on that and talk to you directly. In our next video, we will preview another action that makes it really easy for you to contact your elected representatives about the issues you care about. So, thanks for watching and see you next time.